I just discovered a platform that has free AI tools where you can generate AI images and videos for free and make money off it. Guys, this platform has top models such as Grok AI, VEO 3.1, and SEEDANCE 2.0, and so many other top models. Guys, you are really missing out. Now, I'm going to be testing this platform with you guys. I'm going to be putting you guys through. I'll take you through this platform step by step so that you can start creating AI videos and images and start making money with it too. I'm also going to be showing you how to get prompts on ChatGPT to generate images, AI images and videos. Trust me, this is not a video you would want to miss. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Now, let's get into the video. The first thing we do is to open our ChatGPT app. I'm sure you have ChatGPT on your phone. Then you tell it to give you a prompt to create either an image or a story. We're going to be working with both here. Now, I was telling ChatGPT to give me a prompt on how to create a story about fruits. I picked watermelon and banana fruit. I told it to give me a prompt on how to create a fruit babies that are eating fruit and the juice is splashing on their body. So you just have to tell ChatGPT any story you want. Or if you don't have any story, you can just tell ChatGPT to create one for you and it will give you a prompt. When you've gotten your prompt, you head straight to your browser. Then you type try VEO 3.ai. That's the platform we're going to be using. This is how the interfaces look like. It's very simple and easy to access. Then this is how it looks like. Then you would see where they would say try for free. You tap that place. Look at it here. Try for free. Then you sign in with your Google Mail. Sharp once it will just enter. Then sometimes you have to verify if you're a robot or a human. Then you would see this place. They will say select the model you want to generate your video with. Maybe it's Grok AI, VEO or Seedance, anyone. Here we're going to first try Google VEO 3.1 first. That's the model we're going to be testing first. You'd see text to video, image to video and reference to video. They would give you a prompt originally and they will show you a sample. This is the video sample. Then it's just for you to just remove it. Then you erase the prompt they gave you. We don't want to work with their prompt. We already have our own prompt in ChatGPT. So we'll go back to ChatGPT after erasing this prompt. We'll copy the prompt ChatGPT gave us. We'll copy it. Then we'll go back to that platform. When we go back to that platform, we're going to paste the prompts there. It's as easy as this. Once you paste the prompt, you would select your aspect ratio, anyone you like, then you would see generate video. I tapped on generate video and you just wait for it. It will not even take up to 2 minutes. You say your video is in progress, expect it to be ready in no more than 3 minutes. Please stay on this page. Then once you see your video will just appear, then you tap on the video to watch it. It's as easy as this is the video that we created. If it's small on your screen, I'm sorry about that. Just zoom in. Then you save, you download it and it would just save into your phone. Now let's try out another model on this platform. We go back to your ChatGPT. You either create a new prompt or the former prompt that you have. You just copy it, then you go back to the platform, then you paste it there. So this is me copying the prompts. Then I went back to the platform. I selected another model. This time we'll be using Grok AI. This is it. This is how the interface looks like if you tap on Grok AI model. You see, now we'll be using text to video. They gave us a prompt, but we don't want their prompts. We have our own prompts that ChatGPT gave us. So we'll just paste the prompt we copied from ChatGPT. Then you select your aspect ratio, your resolution, duration, then you generate video. Just as easy as that. Text to video. Just as easy as that. Then you generate. Your video is in progress. See, you have your video. Then you save into your phone. You save or download anyone into your phone. And it's just as easy as this. Note, you can create any type of story on ChatGPT. You can create a story about a boy and a girl, about students, about animals. Me, I love fruits. That's why I'm using fruits to create a story. You don't necessarily have to use fruits to create a story. It's the story you like, what you want. That's what you tell ChatGPT to create for you, and it will give you a story. Now, let's try image to video. Yes, we've been trying text to video and the rest. Now, let's try image to video. Now, you tap on image to video, you would see this option. Then you tap on your photo library, then pick any image that is in your library, that is in your gallery. Then it would load the image you pick. You must have had an image on your phone, or maybe you just downloaded a new image from any website. Then the image will load. So you see the image I selected, it has loaded. Then I would type a prompt. You can form a prompt, or you go back to ChatGPT and say, using this image, generate a prompt for so so and so video. It will generate a story for your video. It will generate a prompt for you. As easy as that. And I told you guys, you don't have to use fruit, banana, watermelon. You can say story of student, story of a man and a woman, story of markets, story of babies, story of animals. You get me? I love fruits. That's why I'm using fruit as my own prompt. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT or the story that you read, and you generate using the image. See, it did not even take time. This is the video I generated for me. A banana, a banana baby eating banana and the juice is splashing on the body. A watermelon baby eating watermelon and the watermelon juice is splashing on the baby. They added sound, but I just muted the sound. I don't want to make this video long. It's just as easy as this. I hope you've been able to learn one or two. If there's any part you don't understand, drop it in the comment and I will do it to reply. If you want another type of video, just let me know in the comments. I would give you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your love.